How to send multiple WhatsApp photos and videos to an email. Whether you want to back up your media or share it with someone, there are two quick ways to do it. Method 1. Export a WhatsApp chat with media. Open WhatsApp, tap the three-dot menu, and select Settings. Next, go to Chats, then Chat History, and tap Export Chat. Choose the conversation you want to export. When prompted, select Include Media. WhatsApp will prepare the chat and media files, then display the available sharing options. Select your email app, enter the recipient's email address, and send it. Method 2. Send media from your gallery. Open your phone's Photos or Gallery app and locate the WhatsApp Images or WhatsApp Video folder. If you don't see a separate folder, simply find the photos or videos you want to share. Select multiple items, tap the Share icon, choose your email app, enter the recipient's email address, and tap Send. And that's it. Those are the easiest ways to send multiple WhatsApp photos and videos to an email. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy WhatsApp tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.